Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best plastic welding machines that can save you time, money, and frustration whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an auto repair professional. From fixing car bumpers to restoring broken toys, these plastic welders are powerful, portable, and packed with features. Let's get into it. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Juanjuan PWG-1 plastic welding machine. The Juanjuan PWG-1 plastic welding machine is designed to offer an efficient and user-friendly solution for plastic repairs. With its rapid heating capability, the machine can reach optimal temperature in just 3-5 seconds, ensuring a fast and reliable welding process. This feature eliminates the need for prolonged waiting times and minimizes the risk of burns, making it a safer option for users. Equipped with a pure copper welding tube, the Juanjuan PWG-1 enhances durability and performance while ensuring an anti-burn handle for added safety. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation. This design choice is ideal for saving time and energy, significantly improving work efficiency during plastic repairs. The machine comes with a set of 5 LED light indicators, each serving a specific function. LED 1 and LED 2 signal when the machine is active, while the flashing LED 2 acts as a prompt for automatic shutdown after 2 minutes of inactivity. LED 3, LED 4, and LED 5 provide additional status indicators, making it easier for users to monitor the machine's operation. The Juanjuan PWG-1 is perfect for a range of repair tasks, including fixing bumpers, dashboards, lamp holders, plastic rings, and even radiators in both cars and motorcycles. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for automotive repairs and general plastic maintenance. To ensure the longevity of the machine, it is important to avoid high-voltage charging. The recommended charging voltage is 5V, and the tools should be stored in a cool environment, away from direct sunlight. Additionally, users should allow the machine to cool down completely before storing it, ensuring safe and efficient operation over time. Coming in at number 4, the Weldex XC-01 plastic welding machine. The Weldex XC-01 plastic welding machine is a versatile and portable tool designed for efficient plastic repair. With its USB rechargeable, cordless design, it eliminates the hassle of tangled wires and limited mobility. Equipped with a 3.8V 5000 mAh lithium battery, the welding gun can work for up to 3 hours on a full charge, giving you the freedom to tackle plastic welding tasks anytime and anywhere without the need for a power socket. Simply charge the tool using the included Type-C cable. The machine boasts 200 W of power, allowing for faster heating and efficient repair work. It comes with 400/1200 PCS of hot staples, providing a range of options to meet different plastic repair needs. The LED battery indicator light on the welding gun helps you easily monitor the battery level with its 4-level indicator, ensuring you're never caught off guard with a low charge. For added safety and performance, the Weldex XC-01 features a heat dissipation hole design. This ensures smooth airflow through the air inlet and outlet, preventing overheating and extending the tool's lifespan. The automatic heat dissipation function activates when the temperature reaches its limit, improving both the efficiency and safety of the machine. Additionally, an LED light on top of the device makes it ideal for working in dimly lit environments, allowing you to continue your work with precision. This hot stapler plastic repair kit is perfect for a wide range of plastic repairs, including car bumpers, dashboards, lamp holders, and various other plastic components. With 4 types of hot staples, the Weldex XC-01 can handle repairs on at least 98% of the plastics available on the market, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job every time. At number 3, we have the Geevorks plastic welding machine. The Geevorks plastic welding machine offers a portable, efficient solution for plastic repairs. This cordless, lithium-powered tool eliminates the need for a power cord, providing greater flexibility during use. Equipped with a 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it can perform over 200 welds on a full charge, allowing for quick and convenient repairs. The Type-C charging port supports various charging options, such as a power bank, plug, or USB plug, making it easy to power up. Designed for speed and efficiency, the welding machine features a corrosion-resistant heating chip that heats up in just 2-3 seconds. It quickly returns to temperature, ensuring fast melting of tin. With a maximum temperature of 550 C, the machine significantly boosts work efficiency. The ergonomically designed handle offers comfort during prolonged use, while the built-in LED light helps users weld accurately, even in low light conditions. This tool is compatible with multiple welding nails, including 0.6/0.8 nails for different crack types. Whether you're working on outer corners, inner corners, or larger turning cracks, the welding nails come in various shapes, such as M-shaped, V-shaped, small wave, and big wave, ensuring precise repairs. A smoothing welding nail can also be used to finish the repair process for a polished result. The Geevorks welding machine supports 2 installation methods, making it versatile for different angles and situations. It is ideal for repairing plastic materials found in car bumpers, window cracks, toys, and other plastic products. With its broad application scope, it excels at filler welding, hole repairs, and crack elimination across horizontal, vertical, long, and short cracks. Suitable for ABS, propene polymer, and PE plastics, this tool is essential for restoring a wide range of modern plastic products. Next up at number 2 is the Fusor plastic welding machine. The Fusor plastic welding machine is a versatile and efficient tool designed to make plastic repairs easy and effective. With a 200 W power rating, this welding machine heats up quickly, offering faster performance than many other welding guns available. It uses heat to embed staples or plastic rods into plastic surfaces, ensuring strong bonds without damaging the car or the plastic itself. This welding machine is equipped with upgraded accessories, including plastic rods and a patch net, allowing for a variety of repairs. It's ideal for use on different plastic materials, such as ABS, PP, TPO, and TPE, making it suitable for a wide range of items like car bumpers, dashboards, motorcycles, kayaks, toys, and more. Before starting the repair, the surface should be cleaned and smoothed with a sponge to ensure the best results. The Fusor plastic welding machine is designed for easy handling, featuring a non-slip rubber handle that provides comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, it comes with LED headlamps for improved visibility, especially in low light conditions. The tool's simple operation makes it accessible for both beginners and professionals alike, offering an efficient way to repair plastic surfaces. For best results, it's important to use the welding machine in intervals of 5-10 minutes, allowing it to cool down before continuing. This prevents excessive wear on the tool and ensures its longevity. Whether you're repairing a car bumper or restoring a plastic toy, this plastic welding machine offers a reliable solution for a wide variety of plastic repair needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Woberich plastic welding machine. The Woberich plastic welding machine is a versatile tool designed to repair and modify plastic components efficiently. It utilizes advanced plastic welding technology to perform a variety of tasks, including filler welding, hole repair, and eliminating gaps in plastic surfaces. The machine operates without the need for nails, making it a cleaner and more precise solution for plastic repairs. One of its standout features is its thermal cutting ability, allowing users to carry out hot cutting of plastic ropes, flat cutting, and automatic sealing. This makes it highly effective for a range of plastic modifications, whether for industrial applications or personal repairs. Additionally, the Woberich plastic welding machine is known for its faster heat and cooling cycles, ensuring greater efficiency in comparison to standard welding machines. This translates into quicker job completion and reduced energy consumption, offering a more economical approach to plastic welding. The machine is particularly useful for staple welding, seamlessly joining plastics together with ease. This makes it an ideal tool for repairing modern products made from plastic, from everyday items to complex industrial components. Its most common applications include car bumper repair and fixing plastic fissures, among other plastic-related damages. Whether you are a professional looking to repair automotive parts or simply looking for a reliable tool for everyday plastic repairs, the Woberich plastic welding machine proves to be a valuable addition to any toolkit.